Traders, investors, what is going on? We are back. It's been a while. Missed you guys. So we're going to get to the stuff and things. Let's talk about the last thing. So I did a little bit more digging. PIRS seems promising long term. They're, as you can see, they had these little pops, but they kind of just sold off trading sideways. But they're holding a lot of that move, so that's solid. But the whole reason they got that pop is the promise of, whatever we talked about, some crazy percentage, like I think it's a couple $100 million company, and they got a $1.2 billion deal, and so they haven't got that money yet. So as we get news, as they hit these different milestones, then we'll see more pops. But I'm not long in them, as you can see. But definitely interesting. Would like to pick them up. I don't know, low threes, great, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Right about there. So let's talk about gray. We were talking about meds this morning. Called out meds. We called out ORPH at 12, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't have the balls for this, especially not when I'm stuck behind a desk at work. This shit was absolutely crazy. It gapped. How many times did it get halted? Like 5 or 6 times it got halted. This shit was just boop, 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 boop. Crazy. So not really even going to call that a call out, because I myself probably wouldn't have even taken that, but we saw the things and we called it out. But we were talking about AMST. We called it out after hours. We called out gray after hours too, right about at 4:30. So we'll start with AMST. So it shot up this morning, actually about 12. Yeah, it's happened around lunchtime. As you can see, it's a no volume at the beginning of the day. Spiking on no news. I think they might have mentioned something at this conference that they were at, but I'm not sure. Just got the alert on the scanner. So anyway, so it spikes up, sells off, and we see some spikery after hours about 4:30. And so I ended up grabbing this in here. Oh, well, I grabbed a little bit there. Grabbed a little bit more right here. Wanted to scale in more. I only have 180 shares, but I had to leave work, and I didn't really feel like loading something up and staring at my phone the entire drive home, so I just got a little starter, and we will see. I have a feeling that this thing is going to pop at least tomorrow pre-market. Not sure if it's going to hold into market open, but been getting pretty good at spotting after hours runners. So this one was okay. Nothing really to toot your horn about, but gray was a good call. So I mentioned it right in here at about 650 at 4:30, and it ran to 9 almost. So this one also no news, surging today on 10 times normal volume towards the end of the day there, and into after hours. You see that volume never really even died off. It just stayed. Now mind you, this stock is heavily shorted. Definitely squoze a little bit there. It was a monster back in here, right? So keep an eye on gray, because this thing is just starting. It might sell off tomorrow. It might have another leg. But this is the beginning of a reversal, so keep an eye on that. Now the other things we're in, we didn't call out AHT very early. Kind of got in here late. Sold this morning. $100, whatever. Wasn't liking open. Wasn't liking futures either. SPY was definitely weird today, but I've been swinging them. Probably should have loaded this, but I was busy. So yep, definitely going to pick AHT back up. I think it's got some more legs. Got a Kramer pump the other day. We got FinTwit all over this thing. It's going to move. And behold the power of FinTwit. So this thing, IVR the other day, we called it out in Discord at about $4, like right around in here. And there was lots of tweeting going on FinTwit, lots of price spike ups on my scanner. So we ended up taking this here, sold this morning pre-market, and I've been loading dips today. Didn't get much of that after hours because I was driving, but all good. I'm swinging this thing. And so yeah, you've been briefed, you've been updated. Those are all the stuff and things I'm in and I'm looking at. Stay up to date further, hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff and things, join the Discord. And yeah, sorry it's been so long, man. Got a new condo, closing on that, lots of stuff and things to do there. Class has been crazy, work's been crazy. I'm a busy guy, but I love the peeps, so hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one, traders.